Hey everybody, Mike here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to invite you guys to send in a video showcasing yourself and your work. As they say in show business, the floor is yours. My channel gets anything up to 500,000 views a month. I got close to 140,000 subscribers, so you can get the message out why they should hire you, right? So a maximum of 2 minutes on the video, showcase your work, showcase yourself, make it personal, make it fun, make it creative. If it's a cool video, I'll add it to my channel and I will showcase it to the world. That's all there's to it, right? Send in your entry to mikehermes@envision no later than August 5th. Okay, that's all. Have fun, guys. I hope you participate, and who knows, maybe this is going to be your next job, right? Bye.